10-7 odds. I can convert between probability and odds.
Thank you, Natalie. And this should be 10-7. Okay. Odds in favor, odds against. Make sure you understand the difference between the two. What does favorable mean when we're talking about odds or probability?
Looking for.
What we're looking for. That's key. That's key, that's key, that's key. So favorable means what we're looking for. So odds in favor would be odds in favor compared to odds against, and odds against would be odds against compared to odds in favor. So unfavorable to favorable. Okay, this is going to make way more sense when you scroll down to number 2 and you find your formulas. Super important that you understand odds in favor. If we're going to use our ratio A to B, A represents what, you guys? Favorable. And favorable means what again? iPad should be down, by the way. And B means what?
Unfavorable.
Okay, so then odds against is the reverse of that. You would go unfavorable outcomes to favorable outcomes. And for odds, if you add both the favorable and unfavorable together, you get? Number 6. 100 tickets in a raffle, 3 are winners. What are the odds of winning? You say 3 to 97. Same raffle, 5 are winners. What are the odds against? 19 to 1 because we reduced it. Yes, no?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is where I think it gets a little trickier. The odds of winning the lottery are 1 winner to 1,000 losers. So the probability then would be number of favorable outcomes is 1, number of total outcomes is
1,001.
because this total is 1,001, right?
Yes. Yes.
Decimal multiplied by 100, we got 0.09. We rounded it to 0.1% of winning the lottery. Okay. Number 9. Lots of questions associated with this one. 48% of the girls in our class, or 48% of the kids in the class in our class are girls. So the odds of randomly selecting a girl would be 48 to 52, which will reduce to 12 or 13, right? So almost 50-50. Not quite. You generally select more boys than girls. The odds of not selecting a boy. So this is where I myself get in trouble all the time. Not means opposite. So what is the odds of not selecting a boy? So the odds of selecting a girl is 13. Because we have that A to B, and A is favorable, B is unfavorable. So thank you for that, Anna. That's going to help me. B, the odds of not selecting a girl. So what's the opposite of selecting a girl?
Selecting a boy.
And how many boys are there?
13.
That's our favorable. So 13 to 12. And then odds against, now we're flipping that A to B, so it's a B to A, right? So the odds against selecting a boy?
12 to 13.
The odds against, so there's 12 girls and 13 boys. Woo! And then number 10, I'm not going to go through, but you can read through number 10 on your own. I gave you probability. You needed to convert it to odds and then reduce. Anna?
Would not be the same as
Now would be the same as against, yep. Because against is going to be the opposite. That help you? I encourage you all to write not that you didn't know this, but to remind you not means opposite.
So B.
It's just opposite, yeah. Okay.